Hey kids, how are you today? Hope you all are well and safe at your home. See, your ma'am is back again with a new video, and that is U sound words. Yes kids? Children, in previous videos, you all have learnt A sound words, E sound words, I sound words and O sound words. And today, we are going to learn U sound words. Okay kids? U says What does U says? U says Let's learn. Golden rules. English alphabet sounds, there are total 26 letters in all, and among these 21 consonants and remaining 5 letters are vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U, and today we are going to learn U sound words. And U says U says So children, let's learn U sound words. What is this? A bun. It is a plain small bread and it's little sweet in taste. It also comes in different shape and size. Yes kids? And it is used to make food item like burger, hot dogs. Yes kids? I know burger is your favorite. And children, have you eaten sweet buns and donuts with lots of topping on it? Yes, yummy. Now children, tell me what is this? Yes, it's a gun. It comes in different size and different shape. You have seen a toy gun. Yes kids, this is also a gun. It is a weapon that is used for shooting. And kids, a policeman, army man and soldiers use this gun to protect themselves. Yes, this is a sun, hot and bright sun. And kids, do you know sun is the biggest star and it is also called a hot ball of fire and it gives us light and heat. We see the sun during the day and see the sun is found at the center of the solar system. Yes? Let's learn the spelling of U sound words. Here we have bun. B-U-N, bun. B says ba, U says a, N says na. B-a-na, bun. One more time. B-U-N, bun. Then next we have gun. Yes kids? G-U-N, gun. G says ga, U says a, N says na. Ga-a-na. Gun. One more time. G-U-N, gun. Okay? Now, what is this? Yes, sun. S-U-N, sun. S says sa, U says a, N says na. Sa-na, sun. Okay, kids? S-U-N, sun. Kids, like burn, gun, sun, we have two more words. Fun, run. Let's see. Now, fun. What is fun? Yes, masti. Children, when you go to a beach, you do lots of fun. Masti, right? Means fun. And when you play outside with your friends, yes kids, what do you have? Yes, you have lots and lots of fun, right children? Children, look at this boy. He is running, so run. Run means to move at a speed faster than a walk. And children, do you know that running is the best exercise? Because it keeps you fit and healthy. And that you run in relay race and other competition also. So run. Let's learn UN rhyming words. Yes kids? UN rhyming words. B-U-N, bun. G-U-N, gun. F-U-N, fun. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. See kids, here we are having UN common in all the words. So they are called UN rhyming words. B-U-N, bun. You all know what is bun. G-U-N, gun. Yes, then Fun, fun. Fun means maja, enjoyment. Yes, kids. Then run. Run means दौड़ना, run. Then sun. Okay, kids. One more time we'll revise. UN rhyming words. Bun, gun, gun, fun, run, sun. One more time we'll revise. UN rhyming words. Bun, fun, gun, run, sun. So these are UN rhyming words. Now kids, I will show you how to remember this UN rhyming word with action. Lock your fingers. UN rhyming words. Bun, gun, gun, fun, run, sun. Now let's learn how to draw the pictures. First, we will give the heading. Use sound words. And our first word is B, U, N, bun. How we will draw a bun? First, draw sleeping line. Join with curve. Then here small standing line, sleeping line, join with standing line. And here make cross like this and put dots like this. And this is a bun. So write 5 times. Next word is gun. G U N. Gun. Now we'll draw the picture of gun. First we'll make oval shape. Then sleeping line. Down also draw sleeping line. Then slanting line. Another slanting line. Join with sleeping line. Draw slanting line. Another slanting line. Curve like this. Then small slanting line. See curve. Come back. Make circle like this. Okay. Then small oval shape inside this. Gun is ready. Write 5 times. Now we will draw a sun. S-U-N, sun. You have to write the spelling 5 times. Here we will draw sun. First we will make a circle shape like this. And here draw one standing line, opposite standing line, sleeping line like this, opposite sleeping line, slanting line, opposite slanting line. Here also draw slanting line, then opposite slanting line. Draw small slanting line in between like this. Yes, kids? So, sun is ready and write 5 times. So, kids, did you understand? U sound words and UN rhyming words. So, do practice of these words at your home. Okay, kids? Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day.